Afternoon is a rainy day in North Carolina. I'm out filming in the barn because of that. Tropical storm Ophelia has rolled through the coast and we're getting, I guess, some of the effects of that from the east. What we're looking at today is the SKS. This is the Soviet model. Rifle is unloaded. Magazine is open. We're going to be going over the field cleaning kit that comes in the buttstocks of these rifles. Just a simple tube. There's a few tools in there. We'll field strip this one and then take a look at it. So the field strip, we're just going to take out capture pin. Top cover comes off. Spring, bolt carrier and bolt. Alright, so there is gas tube and piston. Now, cleaning kit is just a simple tube. The top cover doubles as a muzzle protector. One thing is, I cannot get a cleaning brush through that going from the muzzle in. So the components are, this is soft brush, cleaning jag, and then a punch. Take the cleaning rod out. Take the main body. You see there's a hole there. If you'll line up those two holes, drive your punch through, and now you've got a T-handle. That on your bore brush, and using this cleaning rod, it actually is easier to go from the muzzle end rather than the chamber end. I prefer to clean from the chamber end, but if you were in the field and just needed a quick cleaning job on your SKS, this might be the easiest way to do it. So make a few passes through there, how many ever you like, depending on how much you use your rifle and how dirty it is that day. And we'll take a cleaning patch, and you may or may not have solvent in the field if you're cleaning this. Since we've got it on hand, I'm going to use a little bit of hoppies just to run it through the brush, run it through the barrel. You can run that through how many ever times you like. And we'll wipe down the moving components. And then reassemble. What I'll do is put a few drops of oil in the internals here, and the rails. We've got the rails lubed. Put the bolt carrier and bolt back in. Spring. Do a function check. Gun is unloaded. Listen for the reset. Safety on. No action. Alright, and that is pretty much it. And that's kind of a down and dirty quick cleaning job on that. And then to put your tube kit back together. Components again are a cleaning jag, bore brush, punch, cover / muzzle protector, so with the tube reassembled, just drop it into the bottom. Sometimes you have to tap that buttstock. Open your bayonet again to halfway, because that bayonet helps to serve as a retainer for your rod. Close, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll give us a like and a subscribe.